How to fix Valorant getting stuck on the loading screen. Welcome back to the gaming family. Today, let me show you how you can fix this error. So let's start by restarting Valorant. When you're stuck on the loading screen, first try running the game as an administrator. To do this, go to the Valorant application, right-click it, and select Properties. Then go to Compatibility Mode and check Run this program as an administrator. Next, restart your network settings. Click the Windows icon and look for Command Prompt. Run the application as an admin by right-clicking it and choosing Run as Administrator. And then now, input the listed commands in order. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.